Hey everyone, so today's tutorial is about making curtain for kitchen's window. To have adequate gather in the curtain, we would keep the width of the curtain 1.5 of the width of the window. I am folding the width of the cloth in half just to make it easy to see and measure. So my window is 41 inches wide, so the width of this curtain should be 41 plus half of 41, which is 61.5. The length of the curtain would be half of the length of the window. So measure that plus 5 inches extra for casing and hemming. To start sewing, first you need to hem both sides of the cloth if you need. Mine is already finished one, so I don't need to hem the sides, but if you have to, then double fold the sides and just run a stitch. And after that, fold half an inch for the bottom hemming, and then fold 1 inch, and then keep measuring and pinning the whole bottom. To make casing at the top, first fold about half an inch, then measure 3 inches and then pin. Now stitch both top and bottom. To avoid going crooked, I will mark my machine at 3 inches. For that, I am sticking this piece of tape here, and it will be my measurement of 3 inches. So now I will try to keep the cloth parallel to the tape and go straight. So this is the top 3 inches casing. It's all beautifully done. And this is the bottom hemming. Now we have to make a half inch casing in the middle of this 3 inches casing. For that, first we will fold the casing in half to figure out the middle, and then mark about 1/4 on each side of that middle fold. So this way we will have half inch in the middle, and we will stitch on both sides of that mark. So as you can see, I have already done that middle casing. To go straight, the tip is to take a half inch white tape or ribbon and just pin it in the middle and just stitch on both sides of that tape or ribbon, whatever you get. This way your middle casing will be very straight and professional. So the last thing I did is to insert a rod in the middle of that half inch casing, and with that we are done. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.